Hey there, food lovers! Today we're making the most patriotic 4th of July cheesecake ever. Picture a creamy cheesecake adorned with vibrant strawberries, juicy blueberries, and fluffy whipped cream in an American flag pattern. It's a delightful treat that will impress everyone at your table. So, are you ready to make your 4th of July legendary? Let's light up your celebration with a cheesecake that's bursting with flavor and patriotic pride. Every great dessert starts with the right ingredients, and today, we're setting ourselves up for cheesecake success by gathering everything we need before we even preheat the oven. The magic of baking is all about preparation. Having your ingredients ready is the first step to a flawless, stress-free experience. So let's do a quick roll call and get familiar with our lineup. Think of this as your backstage pass to the stars of our cheesecake show. For the crust, we're starting with classic graham cracker crumbs. These golden, crunchy crumbs are the foundation of our dessert, providing that irresistible buttery crunch in every bite. Next, we add a touch of sugar for sweetness, and of course melted butter. The butter brings everything together, binding the crumbs and sugar into a delicious, cohesive base that will hold up our creamy filling. Now, for the filling, the heart of our cheesecake, we're using full-fat cream cheese, and trust us, this is not the time to go light. Full-fat cream cheese gives our cheesecake that rich, velvety texture and classic, tangy flavor. Alongside the cream cheese, we'll need sugar to sweeten things up, eggs to provide structure and silkiness, a generous scoop of sour cream for extra creaminess and a subtle tang, and a splash of pure vanilla extract to round out the flavors. Don't forget a pinch of salt. It might seem small, but it's essential for balancing the sweetness and enhancing all the other flavors in the filling. For the topping, we're going all out with fresh strawberries and blueberries. These berries not only add a burst of color and freshness, but they also bring a natural sweetness and a hint of tartness that perfectly complements the creamy cheesecake. We'll also need sugar and water to make a simple berry sauce. If you're feeling extra festive, a generous swirl of whipped cream on top is always a crowd pleaser. Here's a crucial tip. Make sure your cream cheese and eggs are at room temperature before you start mixing. This little step makes a huge difference, ensuring your filling is smooth, lump-free, and bakes evenly. Take a moment to lay out all your ingredients before you begin. Having everything measured and within reach will make the process smoother and more enjoyable, letting you focus on the fun part, baking. Just look at those vibrant berries, red, white, and blue. They're not just beautiful, they're a sneak peek of the patriotic magic we're about to create. This cheesecake is perfect for any celebration, especially when you want to impress your guests with flavor and flair. With everything prepped and ready, you're already halfway to a smooth, fun baking experience. There's something so satisfying about seeing all your ingredients lined up, knowing you're about to create something special from scratch. Now that our ingredients are ready, it's time to get hands-on. So grab your measuring cups, double-check your lineup, and let's get to it. With everything in place, you're set for a baking adventure that's as enjoyable as it is delicious. Let's begin our cheesecake journey by building the most critical part, the foundation, our crust. This is where all the magic starts. The crust is more than just a base. It's the first bite, the first impression, and it sets the stage for the creamy layers to come. So, let's give it the attention it deserves. Start by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. This step is crucial because a properly heated oven ensures your crust bakes evenly and gets that perfect golden color. While the oven warms up, gather all your ingredients and set up your workspace. A little organization goes a long way in baking. In a large mixing bowl, combine the graham cracker crumbs and sugar. Use a fork or your hands to blend them together, making sure the sugar is evenly distributed. Next, pour in the melted butter. Stir everything together until the mixture resembles wet sand, moist but not soggy. This texture is key for a crust that holds together but isn't too dense. Now, pour the crumb mixture into a 9-inch springform pan. Using the bottom of a measuring cup or your fingers, press the mixture firmly and evenly across the bottom and just slightly up the sides. Take your time here. An even crust means every slice will have the perfect crunch and support for the filling. Slide the pan into your preheated oven and bake for about 10 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges turn a light golden brown and your kitchen starts to fill with the warm, toasty aroma of graham crackers. Once baked, remove the pan and let the crust cool completely on a wire rack. This cooling step is essential. It helps the crust set and prevents it from getting soggy when you add the filling. This simple process creates a sturdy, delicious foundation that will withstand the rich, creamy filling we'll add next. The crust should feel firm to the touch and be a beautiful golden color. Take a moment to enjoy the incredible smell wafting through your kitchen. There's nothing quite like the scent of freshly baked graham cracker crust. It's a sign that something special is coming. Maybe your family or friends will wander in, drawn by the aroma, eager to see what you're making. Once your crust has cooled completely, it's ready to be filled. Gently touch the pan to make sure it's no longer warm. This step ensures your creamy filling won't melt or separate when poured in. You've done a fantastic job laying the groundwork for your cheesecake masterpiece. Give yourself a pat on the back. The hardest part is over, and you're well on your way to creating a dessert that everyone will love. With the crust done, it's time to move on to the luscious, creamy filling. Gather your cream cheese, sugar, eggs, and other ingredients. The next step is where the magic really happens, transforming simple ingredients into a show-stopping dessert. Are you ready for the next step? Roll up your sleeves, grab your mixing bowl, and let's dive into making the creamy cheesecake filling. This is where your dessert truly comes to life. Remember, every great cheesecake starts with a solid, flavorful crust. You've built a strong foundation. Now let's move on and create something unforgettable together. With our crust cooling, let's whip up a rich, creamy filling. Beat softened cream cheese until smooth, then add sugar and mix just until combined. Add eggs one at a time, mixing gently after each. Stir in sour cream, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Don't overmix. Scrape the bowl to make sure everything's blended. Pour the batter over your cooled crust and smooth the top. That's it. Your cheesecake is ready for the oven. The secret is gentle mixing and room temperature ingredients. This filling is the heart of your dessert. Ready for the oven? Let's bake. Smooth, creamy, and irresistible. On to the bake. Get ready for an exhilarating baking adventure. It's time to whip up some deliciousness. For a crack-free cheesecake, we use a water bath. Wrap your springform pan in foil to keep water out. Place the pan in a larger roasting pan and pour hot water halfway up the sides. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 55-70 minutes until the edges are set and the center jiggles slightly. Turn off the oven, crack the door, and let the cheesecake cool inside for an hour. Remove from the water bath and cool completely at room temperature. For best results, chill in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight. Patience pays off. This step ensures a perfect texture. Your cheesecake is almost ready for its patriotic makeover. Let's get decorating. Time to turn your cheesecake into a patriotic showpiece. Make a quick glaze by simmering sliced strawberries with sugar and water for a few minutes, then let it cool. Rinse and dry your blueberries. Release the cheesecake from the pan and place it on a serving platter. Arrange blueberries in the top left corner for the stars. Lay glazed strawberries in rows for the stripes, leaving white cheesecake showing for contrast. Simple, fresh, and stunning. This topping adds color and a burst of flavor. Your cheesecake now looks as good as it tastes. Ready to add your own creative touch? Let's make it uniquely yours. Decorating time. Now's your chance to get creative. Pipe whipped cream stars or borders for extra flair. Add edible glitter or festive sprinkles for sparkle. Try a firework or mosaic pattern with the berries. Use star-shaped cutters for fun strawberry shapes. Make it your own and have fun. This is your masterpiece. Transform your cheesecake into a show-stopping centerpiece. The way you present it can elevate the entire experience. Make it truly shine. Use a simple platter or rustic board and add extra berries or sparklers for flair. For perfect slices, dip a sharp knife in hot water and wipe clean between cuts. Serve with whipped cream and more berries for a festive touch. Dim the lights, play some music, and make serving a celebration. This is the grand finale of your holiday meal. Enjoy every bite. You've earned it. Congratulations, you did it! Your patriotic cheesecake is ready to shine. Share your creation with friends and family. It's made with love. Snap a photo and tag us online. We love seeing your masterpieces. Drop a comment and let us know how it turned out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more sweet treats. Don't forget to ring that notification bell for more delicious adventures heading your way. Thank you for watching and joining us on this baking journey. We wish you a joyful, delicious 4th of July. Until next time, happy baking!